It is issued at a discount of 1%. Okay, 100 minus 1, that is 99. Redemption value after 10 years is 103 as given in the question. This is given in the question. Now we have to calculate the present value of debentures. We can use present value annuity factor formula. Okay. So present value of debentures is equals to coupon amount into 1 plus R. R is the required rate of return. R is the required rate of return, which is used for discounting the future value. Now this coupon is of future amount. Coupon amount is a future amount. We will get it in the future. In the next 10 years, we will receive some amount. That future value, we have to discount it and we have to bring it backward. And that value will be called as, today's value is called as present value, 0th year. So we have to bring the 10th year value to the 0th year. We have to bring the 9th year value to 0th year. We have to bring 8th year value. 8th year is the future value. So 8th year value back to 0th year. So in this way, till first year to okay. So present value of debentures is equals to, what is the coupon amount? Coupon amount is 15 rupees. 15 into what is the required rate of return? 16%. Given in the question, 16%. How many year bond? How many years bond? Life of the bond is 10 years. R is 0.16. R is 0.16. So always take 16%, 16 upon 100. Okay. It is given in the question. Only you have to divide with 100 and you have to take the factor. How many years? N is 10 years. What is the maturity value after 10 years you are getting? You are getting 103. Okay. So this is the single amount you are receiving after 10 years. You are receiving this 15 amount again and again. So that is why we are applying this formula, present value of annuity formula. दिस इज अ एन्युटी फैक्टर. ओके, ये जो बड़ी वाली फॉर्मूला है ना, यहाँ तक आप देखोगे ऊपर और नीचे न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर डिवाइड है बीच में. 1 प्लस आर रेज टू एन माइनस 1 अपॉन आर इंटू 1 प्लस आर रेज टू एन. ये जो फॉर्मूला है ये तब अप्लाई करनी है जब सेम अमाउंट आपको बार बार मिल रहा है. You are getting 15 rupees same amount every year, same amount. 15 rupees in the first year ending, second year ending 15 rupees, third year ending 15 rupees. So the coupon amount is same in all the years. So we can apply the annuity formula. Which annuity formula I am talking about? This one. This is the present value annuity factor formula. Okay. कैसे करना है कैल्सी में? नॉर्मल कैल्सी लेना है आपको. 1.16 इंटू इक्वल कितनी बार प्रेस करेंगे? 10 टाइम्स लिखा है तो आपको एक बार नहीं करना है, क्योंकि 1.16 रेज टू 1 जो आंसर होता है ना, वो 1.16 ही होता है. 1.16 रेज टू 1 1.16 होता है, इसलिए हम लोग 1.16 एक बार कर लिया है तो बाकी 9 टाइम्स इक्वल प्रेस करो. इक्वल साइन को प्रेस करो 9 टाइम्स. मुझे आंसर बताना. 1.16 रेज टू 10. 9 टाइम्स इक्वल प्रेस किया, आंसर क्या आ रहा है? 4.4114. सब लोगों को करना है कैलकुलेट एंड टेल मी द आंसर. रोल नंबर 2, 6, 8, 9 सब लोग कैलकुलेट करो. इसका कॉपी मत करो नमन का, सब खुद से करो पहले कैलकुलेट. 1.16 इंटू इक्वल 9 टाइम्स प्रेस करो. आपने एक बार कैलकुलेट किया ना, दो जगह आएगा. न्यूमरेटर में -1 के पहले 4.4114 और इनटू के बाद डिनोमिनेटर में आपको लिखना है 4.4114. दैट मीन्स यू कैन राइट इट 3 टाइम्स. देखो यहाँ पर भी रेज टू 10 है तो आप इसको कन्वर्ट करके लिख सकते हो 4.4 4.4114. ओके. जीरो 0.16 इंटू 4.4114. 0.16 मल्टीप्लाई करो. डिनोमिनेटर इज 0. ओके. हार्दिक परफेक्ट. जाहिर ओके. 103 into 1 divide by 4.4114. Fifteen into 3.4114 divided by 0.7058. 4.833. 103 into 0.2267. 15 into 4.8333. Tell me. सब लोग चैट में लिखना. What is the worth of debentures? Worth of debentures is total 72.50 plus 23.35. Yes, Munira, tell me. The worth of debentures is 95.85. So you will not pay more than this, right? When you know the worth of something, you will pay that much only. So 95 के ऊपर आप 1 रुपया भी नहीं देने वाले हो. You know the value of debentures. The present value of debenture is the worth of debentures. Now, if the debenture is available at discount at 99, issue price is 99. Will you purchase? It is at discount of 1%. It is issued at 99. Will you purchase at 99? Tell me in the chat. And if yes, tell me why. If no, tell me why. Tell me the reason. Yes, it is overvalued. This debenture is overvalued. You know the price of the debenture should be 95. It is available at 99. तो ज्यादा पैसे क्यों हम देंगे जबकि इसका वैल्यू 95 होना चाहिए, 95.85. तो हम ज्यादा पैसे क्यों देंगे, 99 पे क्यों खरीदेंगे? So we will not invest in this debenture. Okay. Kindly note down everybody. म्यूट करो जिसका भी अनम्यूट है. Issue price, whenever issue price is more than the present value of debenture, we will not buy the debenture because it is costly. If it is undervalued, we will buy. If it is overvalued, we will sell. But if we don't have debenture, how we will sell? We will not invest because we find it overvalued. So this debenture is overvalued. Okay. I will take your attendance now.